Hello everyone, welcome to Jompie Official's Learn Phonics series. We have already done letters S, A, T, P, I, N, M, D and also letter G. Today we are starting with letter O. O makes the sound O. O. O says O. See how will we read this now in words? If the word written here is O and then how will you read this? O, N, on, because the sound of N was N. So on, on. Okay. Now let's read this word. Dog, dog. Okay, another word. How will we read this? Pot, pot. Okay, one more word. How will you read this? Top. That's it for today. See you in the next video.